Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very beautiful look, and it's kind of like a look with a pop of color, and this look does lean a bit fall and warm, but I just love how this turned out. It is using a $2 eyeshadow palette I found at the Dollar General, and it is called Nude palette, and it's from LaColors. And this is such an easy look to follow and achieve. I can't wait till you guys see how easy it is. And the pop of color is coming from a W7 palette I picked up from Five Below, but there are lots of palettes you can find at Dollar General that have a blue like this. And I'm using WetnWild eyeshadow primer and Hard Candy Marilyn Monroe loose powder under the eye to catch fallout. And here's that nude palette for $2. They also had a bold version of this. I'm going to take the shade directly in the middle of the eyeshadow palette, and to me this is just a basic kind of warm brown. You can find this shade in many palettes. I'm literally just windshield wipering this very messily in the crease and the outer corner. I'm just going to build this up a bit, and but for $2, are you seeing how pigmented these shadows can be? $2. That's why I love LaColors so much. I'm just messily working that in. Like I said, doesn't matter. You messily do it as well. It can be fixed. I have a little trick for that coming, and here it is. And I'm going to be taking this cream shade, vanilla shade in the palette. First I'm going to take this on an eyeshadow brush. I'm just going to kind of pat this under the brow bone, or on the brow bone under the eyebrow as my highlight, and you're going to see me kind of put that against the edges of the shade that's in the crease, and go over it also with the crease brush I use with no additional product, and blend those together. And I just kind of buff them together, and they blend very easily and nicely. I'm taking this beautiful coppery shade from the palette, and it's like a brand new shiny beautiful penny, and I'm taking this on a flat shader brush, and I'm going to wet my brush with the Airway Studio setting spray. And I do this to kind of foil it, and I don't need any secondary base to help it stick, and it gives it its full potential. And would you believe that this was a $2 metallic eyeshadow? Believe me, it's absolutely stunning in person. And once I have that on, I'm using NYX Jumbo Pencil and Milk in the inner corner. And I'm going to take the crease shade I used just on the lower lash line, kind of messily. Told you this look was incredibly easy to follow and recreate. Here's the W7 Aquamarine palette, and this little palette I got is totally broke, so I'm trying to be careful with that. I'm taking that bottom shimmery blue shade, and it's just a light teal minty shade, so you can find this in lots of palettes. And I'm using the Milk pencil in my waterline, and I am going to go back over the lower lash line, and the eyeshadow wise part are done. This is the Airway Studio Lash Adhesive and LaColors Dashing Eyelashes, and these are a bit more dramatic than I'm entirely used to, but I still wanted to rock them out. I found some new LaColors lashes, and these are very beautiful, but they're legit, like, because I have, you know, hooded eyes, kind of caterpillar-y on my eyes. But I'm going to tightline with the LaColors Gel Eyeliner in Midnight Black, and this is going to help further conceal the lash band, because I don't do a lot of black eyeliner on top of them to conceal the lash line. So I do the tightlining, and I use an eyelash curler to mesh them together, and a little bit of mascara, and that was Airway Studio Fat Lash. And for lips, I'm using the LaColors Nude Glam lipstick in Teddy, I believe it might be called, and a lip liner. And I love how this look came out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more looks using this $2 eyeshadow palette, and more looks from Dollar General makeup. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more makeup tutorials. Check the description box for additional links, as well as the product list and what's on my nails. Thank you so much for watching.